Hello everybody, today we are doing a question from CSIR Net June 2017. Question is from part B. Question is, let A be equal to 1, 0, 2, 1 minus 2, 0, 0, 0 minus 3 and I be a 3 by 3 identity matrix. If 6A inverse is equals to A square plus BA plus CI for A, B, C belongs to R, then A, B, C equals. So we have to find the values of A, B and C. The matrix A, which is given to us as 1, 0, 2, 1 minus 2, 0, 0, 0 minus 3, a 3 by 3 square matrix. Alright, so now to proceed further, first of all, let us find what is the characteristic equation of this matrix. To find the characteristic equation of this matrix, we will be requiring the eigenvalues of this matrix A. So, observe this matrix A, we can divide this matrix into some blocks. This can be written as BC0D, where matrix B is a 2 by 2 lower diagonal matrix 1, 0, 1 minus 2. C is a column matrix 2, 0. 0 is a row matrix 0, 0 and D is a 1 by 1 matrix this. So clearly the eigenvalues of the matrix A are the eigenvalues of matrix B and the eigenvalues of matrix D. The eigenvalues of matrix B are 1 minus 2, the diagonal entries of matrix B because it is a lower diagonal matrix, and the eigenvalues of matrix D is minus 3. So these are the eigenvalues of matrix A. And if we know the eigenvalues of the matrix A, the characteristic equation of the matrix will be x minus 1 into x minus minus 2, that is x plus 2, into x minus minus 3, that is x plus 3. So this is the characteristic equation of the matrix A. On simplifying, this is equal to x minus 1 into x square plus 2x plus 3x plus 6, and on simplifying further, CA of x is equals to x cube plus 4x square plus x minus 6. So this is the characteristic equation. Next, we will be using Cayley's-Hamilton theorem. Cayley-Hamilton theorem states that every square matrix satisfies its characteristic equation. Therefore, matrix A will be satisfying this characteristic equation, and therefore we will be having A cube plus 4A square plus A minus 6I is equal to 0. Alright, so this is the equation which we have obtained. Now, what is determinant of A? Determinant of A is equal to 1 into 6 minus 0 plus 0 plus 0, that is 6, and it is not equal to 0. This implies that A is invertible. Alright, and therefore A inverse exists. So let us see what happens when we multiply this equation with A inverse. So this becomes A square plus 4A plus A into A inverse is I minus 6A inverse is equal to 0. So this is the equation we have obtained. When we take 6A inverse to the right hand side, it becomes A square plus 4A plus I is equals to 6A inverse. And now observe the equation which is given to us in the question. It is 6A inverse is equal to AA square plus BA plus CI. And therefore, on comparing the coefficients of A square, A and I, we can get the values of A, B and C. So A is clearly 1, B is 4 and C is 1. So A, B, C is equal to 1, 4, 1. Now let us see which is the correct option. So clearly option 4 is the correct answer. The remaining are wrong. So option 4 is the correct answer. Thank you.